Hello YouTube, welcome back campaigners. This is Campaign Train, and as ever, I'm your host Cross. I've got a couple of projects coming up where I'm going to need a lot of bricks. So I'm taking some basic XPS, simple knife, and I started cutting bricks. So I cut me a bunch of little bricks. And I mean a bunch of little bricks. I'm going to show you how to cut these. I'm going to show you how to texture them so that you can then turn around and make great little projects like this with bricks that are put together one by one so they look really realistic. So come along for that ride. I'll see you in just a minute. There's going to be a bump here. During that bump, please hit like, share, subscribe. There's some other links that really help out the channel. If you could hit my Patreon, that would be fantastic. I do love doing this, and I'd like to be able to continue doing it. So maybe think about tossing something this way. If not, just enjoy the ride. I'll see you right after this, and thanks so much for coming. So there you have it, campaigners. Simple XPS foam, 1/2 inch thickness. You can make them however big you want, but I find a 1/2 inch works for me. Simple knife, then carve, 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 cut, 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 squish, squish, squish like I showed you, and you'll end up with a lot of bricks in no time at all, and you'll be able to build fantastic things with them. I sure hope you've been appreciating this. Once again, like, share, subscribe, maybe hit some of those other links. And until next time, this is Campaign Terrain. I'm your host, Cross. I love you, and I wish you luck in your campaign. Thank you for coming.